Minds are like flowers, they only open when the time is right. When you connect to the silence within you, that is when you can make sense of the disturbance going around you. The only time you fail is when you fall down and stay down. The true measure of success is how many times you can bounce back from a failure. The discontent and frustration that you feel is entirely your own creation. When you are joyful, when you say yes to the life and have a fun and a project positivity all around you, you become a sun in a center of every constellation and a people want to be near you. Reality is a projection of your thoughts or the things you habitually think about. Our way of thinking creates good or bad outcomes. When your back is to the wall and you are facing fear head on, the only way is forward and through it. You will yourself to the where you are today, so will yourself out of it. Before you can successfully make friends with others, first you have to become your own friend. Judgment is a negative frequency. No matter how small you start, always dream big. Doing the tough things sets winner apart from losers. If you think you can, then you can. Everything is within your power, and your power is within you. Grateful souls focus on the happiness and the abundance present in their lives, and this in turn attracts the more abundance and joy towards them. What you feel about another person, what you think or say about another person, what you do to another person, you do to you. Give judgment and criticism and you give it to yourself. Give love and appreciation to another person or anything and you give it to yourself. Manifesting is a lot like making a cake. The things needed are supplied by you, the mixing is done by your mind, and the baking is done in the oven of the universe. Some say, if you want success, surround yourself with the successful people. I say, if you want true and lasting success, surround yourself with the people of integrity. You don't have to be good at something to be liked. No matter whether you believe in luck or chance, the final decision is from yourself. Without desire and dreams, your thoughts do not matter and you can think whatever you want to. If we ask, we should also be prepared to give. A man can only rise, conquer, and achieve by lifting up his thoughts. Stand out from a crowd, be yourself. Exhaust your worries, and they will soon leave you. Your dreams and answer exist on a frequency. Gratitude in advance is the most powerful creative force in the universe. Your mind must arrive at the destination before your life does. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel I Manifest for more such kind of videos. Thanks for watching.